One of the topic from CSIR-UGC NET General Aptitude. So in the previous videos I discussed with you about the clock problem, calendar problem and numbers. So many more topics. Go to those videos. So in this video we will discuss about algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation. Before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So one of the question will be from this topic in the CSIR-UGC NET exam. So algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations. So what is linear equation, you must understand. So there are two basic methods of solving linear equations. So first we should understand definition here. Linear equations are equations having one variable. So that is ax plus b equal to 0 is an example with one variable where x is what variable and a and b are real numbers. So like that you can write the equation for two variables. Example ax plus by equal to c. Here x and y are the two variables. So two methods of solving the linear equations are, first one, substitution method. So let us take example here. These are the two linear algebraic equations has been given. Consider it as 1 and 2. So step 1, write one variable in terms of the other by picking either of the equation. So you have to select any one of the equation and you have to write in terms of one variable. So let us take the second equation, 2x plus y equal to 1. And express in terms of any one of the variable y equal to 1 minus 2x. Consider this as equation 3. Then substitute y in the equation 1. 3y is there. Y value 1 minus 2x you have to substitute. So equation will become like this. Once you evaluate x value, you will get 11 by 12. So x value you got. If you want to find out y, substitute in the equation 3. To find out y equal to 1 minus 2 into 11 by 2. So y is equal to 1 minus 11, that is minus 10. So this is how you can find the variables with the help of substitution method. So the next one is elimination method. The ratio of incomes of two persons, let us take one example, is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly income. So income of two person we can consider that is 9x and 7x. 9:7 ratio they have given, and expenditure 4:3, that is 4y and 3y. In terms of two variables we have to write income and expenditure. Then they managed to save 2000 per month. So then this is how we can write the two equations. 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 from income and expenditure. So 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. After writing these two equations, make coefficients equal by multiplying 3 and equation 2 by 4. So here 4 and 3 are there, you have to multiply alternately. So equation coefficient must become equal, any one of the variable. So here 12y, they will get cancelled, and if you subtract 3 and 4 equation, so you will get x equal to 2000. X we got by eliminating one of the variable, and once you get, you just substitute in any one of the equation to get the value of y. Let us take equation 1. Substitute 2000. 9 into 2000 minus 4y equal to 2000. So y is equal to what? 4000. Monthly income of person is how much? 18,000 and 14,000 per person. So like that you can use the elimination method or the substitution method. So next, age problem. So one of the question will be compulsory from age problem. Age problem is one of the most important type in the daily life problem. Statements regarding age, one or more people will be given. You should analyze those statements to find the age of a particular person. So let us solve the previous year questions from CSIR-UGC NET. So the first question, in a room, we have one grandfather, two fathers, two sons, and a grandson. The age of the father is 7 times age of the son. The age of the other father is twice his son's age. Assuming that there are only 3 people in the room, the grandfather is 70 years old. How old is the grandson? Okay. So first clearly read the question, try to figure out the given data and then try to solve. So there are 3 people in the room, son, father and grandfather. So they have given grandfather age is 70 here. Okay. Age of the father 7 times the age of his son. And they have given age of the father is twice his son. So with these given data, we can make the observation here. So grandfather and father we have to take first, calculate the age of son. So age of the father is how much? Half of the age of his grandfather. Okay. Then half into 70 is how much? 35 years. That is age of the father. So age of the son is what? 7 times the father. Age of the son is what? 1 by 7 into father. Because here 7 times age of his son. That's why you can write 1 by 7 into age of the father. So you will get 5 years age of son. So second observation, father age will be 10. Son age, how much we got? 5. So father age never going to be 10. It looks absurd. So logically son age will be what? 5. So from given options you can select option 3. That is correct. So age of the father twice his son means what? 10. That is not possible. So age of the son may be 5. Second question, 20% of students of particular course get jobs within 1 year of passing. 20% of the remaining students get jobs by the end of second year of passing. If 16 students are still jobless, how many students had passed the course? So let us take X be the number of students who passed the course. So 20% of students particular course get jobs within a year. So let us take 20 by 100. Okay. Then next what they have given? 20% of the remaining student get jobs by end of second year of the passing. So that means you have to subtract here 100 minus 20 by 100 into 80 by 100 plus 16 students are still jobless. So this is what the total number of students who pass. So then let us consider that X be the students who passed the course. Then if we equate the equation, finally we will get the X value, that is how much? X equal to 1600 divided by 64, 25. So this is the number of students passed. Option C is correct. So here this step we need to understand. So 20% of the remaining students means how much? 100 minus 20 by 100 into, so 80. You have to do like that. Next one, in an enclosure one step is going to be complicated in any of the questions. So if you cross that step, you can easily get the answer. So you have to use the tricks. In an enclosure, there were both cows and cows. If there are 30 heads and 100 legs, what fraction of them are cows? So here, let us take x and y be the number of cows and cows. Number of heads, if we consider including what? Cows and crows head. Total how much? 30. So then x plus y is equal to how much? 30. Total number of animals, that is 30, including cows and crow, because only any of the animal has one head. So cow has 2 legs and crow has 2 legs and crow has 4 legs. That means 2 into x, 4 into y. 2x, if you add how many total number of legs? 100. So let us consider these two equations. X plus y equal to 30, 2x plus 4y is equal to 100. Equate these two, you will get the value of x and y variable. By substitution method you can solve. X equal to 10, y equal to 20 you will get. So required fraction is what? Number of cows to the total number of animals. That is cow how much? X equal to 10. X by x plus y we have to take. 10 by 10 plus 20, that is the ratio is 1:3. Option A is correct. So next question, 25% of 25% of a quantity is x% of the quantity, where x is. This is the question from 2012. So let y be the quantity we want to find. So given here 25% of 25%, that means 25 by 100 into 25 by 100 into y. So x% of quantity is how much? X by 100 into y. Equate these two, LHS, RHS. So you will get here the value of x, that is 6.25%. Option A is correct. So 3 years ago, the difference in the age of two brothers was 2 years. The sum of their present age will be double in 10 years. What is the present age of the elder brother? So let x be the present age of the elder and y be the younger brother. Then 2 years ago means their age will be how much? 3 years ago we have to consider. 3 years ago their age will be equal to 2. So x minus 3, y minus 3 equal to 2. If we equate x minus y equal to 2. Let us consider equation 1. After 10 years, age of brothers, how much? That is x plus 10, y plus 10. Add them, and the sum of age is double in 10 years. That means x plus y twice of that is equal to sum of the ages, x plus 10, y plus 10. Equate, you will get the equation 2x plus y equal to 20. So by substitution method you can get the value of x, that is 12. So what we require here, age of the elder brother, we have considered it as x. So elder brother age is 11. Option B is correct. So last question here, 3 fishermen caught fishes and went to ship. One of them wake up, took away one fish and 1/3 of the remainder as his share without other knowledge. Later the 3 of them divided the remainder equally. how many fishes were caught. So xb, let us consider xb number of fishes. We took one fish. X minus 1 we can consider. Again, we took 1/3 of this x minus 1 fishes. So remaining will be 2/3 x minus 1. So this 2/3 x minus 1 we have divided among 3 persons. That means you have to multiply by 3. So let us take k as integer. Then equation will be 2/3 x minus 1 equal to 3k. So if we have given the options here, you can put any one of them to get the correct value. So put option each in equation 1. If we equate LHS, RHS must become equal. So then here if we substitute, the value of k will be 4. That means 19 fishes were caught. Option B is correct. So like that you have to solve the given problem from algebraic method of solving linear equations. So I hope this video is helpful.